Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the weird medieval memes token. Ticker symbol is WMM. Now I saw this token on the TopHat.1 page. Now I just did a video recently on the Top Hat token and you can check that out. But basically this is a launch pad where you can launch AI agents and meme coins to go along with the AI agent. And this is the one that is in the top spot right now from Sir Meme-a-Lot. This is the weird medieval memes token. You can find it on Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Bird Eye, SoulScan, etc. We're going to go over the information on the weird medieval memes token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find them on Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here at Medieval Memes AI. Doth thou even meme, peasant, on thy blockchain? And they have a full link tree there that'll take you anywhere you need to go. They just joined Twitter, October 2024, 10,400 Twitter followers, blue verified checkmark, and over 1,200 tweets. They have the contract address in their pinned tweet there. It ends in pump because this token was created on pump.fun. They have the top AI meme here, or the AI agent, They have the top AI agent. You can explore agents on tophat.one, and the one in the very first spot here is Sir Meme-a-Lot, and it says, You are Sir Meme-a-Lot, a time-traveling AI meme lord who became stranded in the medieval times. And it shows the market cap on there. It says $18 million market cap. We'll get to that in a second. This token does have a big market cap. They have the Twitter, the Telegram link there. And so if we go over to Dex Screener, it says, market cap right now is $17.5 million. I guess they just round up to the nearest million. They have here a total 24-hour trading volume today of $4 million. So this token came out 1 month, 10 days ago. Still a huge market cap, still $4 million in 24-hour trading volume, and trending #1 on Top Hat. So they have here, I guess not trending, but in the #1 spot on Top Hat because of market cap, is how I should say it. They have $1.2 million in liquidity right now in Raydium. 99.99% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price right now is 1.76 cents per token. Just today, they've had 9,976 transactions, and right now they're up 60.5%. So if you wanted to get the token, it's real easy to find the contract address right in that pinned tweet there. So basically, first you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Soulflare wallet. You could use a Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or MetaMask wallet. Now you would download one of those wallets from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. Once you funded your wallet with Sol, you go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then using the contract address you could find right there in their pinned tweet, you would trade your Sol for the weird medieval memes token. You probably will not have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything about taxes. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees. This token may also be available on Meteora, on Orca, or Jupiter, some other Solana decentralized exchanges. And if you scroll through these tweets here, there's some pretty funny tweets. Some medieval, they're like medieval people playing with their mobile phones, looking at charts, and this guy's saying, "Who dumpeth?" which is hilarious. But yeah, so they have all these weird medieval memes that are kind of mixed with the future and crypto, mixed with medieval times. Pretty funny. They have a full link tree there. It'll take you anywhere you need to go. So you can click on that link tree, and then it has links to the website. It says "Join Thy Kingdom," and that'll take you over to a Telegram. Then they have a spot. It says "Create your memes here." Then another spot to animate your memes. Then there is "Meet Our AI Agent." So that's what I was talking about on TopHat.1. You can create AI agents, which are automated agents that, you can program them any way you want. Maybe, this one's medieval memes or whatever, but you can program your AI agent to be like a middle-aged woman who loves shopping or something, like anything you want, basically. And then they have a link to buy on Jupiter. They also have a link to their Twitter and CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap charts as well. If you want to join the Telegram, it is at Medieval Kingdom Portal. 597 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project. And then the webpage, "Join Thy Kingdom, Generate Thine Own Memes." The button right at the top of their webpage says "Weird Medieval Memes. Hear ye, hear ye." Have you ever dreamt of bringing your wonderful meme ideas to life? Then you're in luck, good sir or lady. Usually, I notice crypto pages usually say him. They usually would say just "good sir," and they just assume that you're a male just because crypto is male dominated. But there is ladies out there who are into crypto. We all know Kathy Wood, for example. So it says, "Then you're in good luck, sir or lady, for Weird Medieval Memes is born." Join the 6,000 plus people creating hilarious medieval memes, capturing crypto culture and beyond through a free and easy to use artificial intelligent generator created by Fablin. The results shall not disappoint. And then they have all sorts of memes that you can look at here. It says, "Ye old smart contract address. The medieval kingdom has its own token, ticker symbol WMM, built by an organic community with no KOL distribution, simply glorious vibes and grand memes." And on the webpage, medievalmemesai.com, you can find the contract address, DEX tools, DEX screener, charts, Twitter, Telegram, a whole bunch of memes at the bottom of the page. Then they have the meme generator. It says contact the CTO team, and they have an email if you need to reach out. weirdmedievalmemes@proton.me. And then it says any content or socials on our website is not to be taken as financial advice. We are medieval LARPs, simply enjoying the culture of good memes. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.